All right, so here's what's going on. This has been replaced. This is a nightmare, truly. I had to move the water heater. This cost about $800-900 in material just to move the water heater, strapped it and everything. Ran Uponor. So there's a unit right here. This is an apartment building. Guy's bathroom is down here. A combi picks up the main, which is right here, and it goes like that. And the kitchen is straight ahead, so we're replacing from the kitchen all the way here, and also we're replacing all of this stuff right here. And this is back pitched terribly. You can't tell on camera, but this is going uphill. This whole section here is going uphill, but we're gonna replace this stack right here, all of this. We got a saw cut in the guy's unit and all kinds of stuff. It's a nightmare. I'm working with the group today.
They're gonna have their guys fix it, right?
Yeah.
So, but that's what we got.
So we're gonna cut.
I'm trying to think, who we get
from here. We're replacing all this.
Yeah.
Saw cut all this, all the way to the wall. The water heater's on the other side. So this will be challenging. We may have to take all this up right here.
I go to San Pedro a lot too.
San Pedro's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's a not bad. Pop the breaker twice, but if you just let it do its thing and you didn't try to force it into the ground, it was fine. It cut really well on the tile here, but when we got to the wood, it's kind of bogging down a little bit. But it didn't pop once on the tile, just on the wood, which I guess not bad for an electric concrete saw. My jackhammer definitely wasn't enough. This is the step up from the one that I have. And as you can see, maybe 3-inch thick concrete. I don't know, but it was hard to get up. And I think today is just gonna be just doing this and exposing the pipe. I don't think we'll even cut the pipe because we still have to, I don't know how the hell we're gonna get in there. but take all these out and keep it pushing.